Hello guys, welcome to our class. Our topic for today is about the AppBar properties. Okay, let's start. We'll be creating an AppBar in our project. So in scaffold, there is a property called AppBar. And then we'll be calling the AppBar widget. And then we will specify the title of our application, which is Flutter tutorial, for example. And then we'll be adding, or we will center align our title. But before that, we need to run first our application to check the output. And then we will run our application by clicking this run button. And let us wait. Okay, so this is the output of our application. As you can see, the title of our application is Flutter tutorial. So if you want to center align or position your application title at the center of the AppBar, we'll be using the property center title and then set into true. So let us hot reload our application by pressing the Ctrl S. So here is the output. So the title is align center to the AppBar. So next is we'll be adding a leading icon. So I'll be using the property of the AppBar leading, and then we will specify icon, then icons dot menu. Okay, then Ctrl S again. So we have an icon here, so we can use it to launch a menu or the drawer, or we can change this to a back button once you are working with multiple pages. Okay, so next is we'll be adding an action buttons. Next, we'll be adding an action button to our AppBar. So we'll be adding an icon button here on the right of our AppBar. So we'll be using the property which is actions. So actions is in the form of array. So that means you can add multiple action button. Or in this example, we'll be using the icon button widget. And then there are two properties of the icon button, which is the icon and the Onpress property. So in the icon, we'll be adding an icon which is the search button or the search icon. And then for the Onpress property, we'll be changing this null value, because when you specify null value to Onpress button, that means the icon button is disabled. So we're going to change that into open and close parentheses, and then open close brace, and then we'll be adding a statement under Onpress. So once the user click on the or press the search icon, it will print a message, search press. But in our next videos, we'll be adding the search capability of the search icon. So I'll be saving it, and then we will check the output. So we have an icon here, a search icon. So this is an icon button, so you can click on this icon. So try to click the search button. So as you can see on the console, it displays or it prints search press, so it's working. So just like what I said to you a while ago, the actions is in array form, so you can add multiple icon button here or widgets. So another icon button, open close, and then icon property, and then icon, then icons dot more vertical. And then for the Onpress property, we will specify a statement here, which is when the user press on the more vertical, it will print more press. Then Ctrl S, and then try to click the more button. So it prints more press. How about the search icon or the search button? So search press. So both of the icon button is working. So another is, by default, the color of the AppBar is blue. So if you want to change that into another color, for example red, you will be using the property of the AppBar, which is the background color. And then we'll be using we need to use the color widget, colors dot red. Then try to save. So the AppBar background color was changed to red. Okay, so